we introduce PinSafe, decentralized Pinterest. PinSafe is a platform for decentralized content, aggregation and image sharing, where users have content ownership. The inspiration for the project is that currently monolithic web applications retain ownership of user content and stifle the adoption of decentralized technology. There is obviously a similar pattern with large companies in Web3 space. So for example, a user could use OpenSea to publish a content. However, the obstacles for the discovery of content is pretty significant. For example, only a very small fraction of collections get to the homepage. The content publishing process requires significant experience with a very unique technological stack. And feedback and engagement metrics related to content are reflected mostly in the price movement. So we actually see the solution in the Web3 space, where we see that it's a combination of decentralized governance and creator ownership of intellectual property, create new dynamics between content creators and form new, more meaningful communities. We think that the architecture creates new challenges and opportunities to introduce tools that will facilitate the creation of these communities. The proposed solution contains 4 key elements. To begin with, we propose the decentralized feed to reinforce discovery of content and valuable feedback. We also think that decentralized identity ERC 725 standards will provide anonymity and data protection. We obviously think that upgradable, resilient, and more open decentralized storage like Skynet would greatly benefit the project. And finally, we think that smart contracts could securely serve web experience directly to users. Here is our demo. First, we navigate to the homepage of our decentralized Pinterest tab. So here's, for example, the image, the latest post. So this is the polar bear and the description of it. It's owned by this address. So now we can upload an image. We choose between the IPFS provider and the Skynet. So we upload to Skynet. So we confirm the transaction. The post uploaded successfully. And we navigate to homepage to view the image, our post, decentralized post. Here it is. And we navigate to the post page. We can also share this post by sharing the URL.